Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can put an overlay behind a character on a video on CapCut. So first you need to add the main video. Here is the main video and also an overlay video like this. And then just click on the main video and make it as overlay. Click on the overlay button. And after that, fit the size, make it the same size. So I'm going to just trim the main video length so it will go like this, and then click on the overlay video and go to cutout and click on to remove background. And after that, click on a check icon and just wait until the process is finished. Then after that, the video will go like this. Then you'll have the overlay behind the character. You can see. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.